Hello everyone, my name is Mishika. Today we are going to Gurfagan. Hello everyone, it almost took 100 kilometers from our place, from Sharjah. Look at the road and the scenery view. It looks seem like desert, but my father is driving the car. So here my father is driving the car. Daddy, hi Appu. That is my brother and that is my grandmother. They both are seeing in the window and my brother is playing backside. Seeing backside. I don't know why she's seeing backside. And that is my mother. Guys, we almost reached 79 kilometers ahead. So after we went there, we saw so many mountains. Look there. You can enjoy the mountain view. It is just amazing, the mountains. It's a long drive with traffic. Guys, on the way I saw one tunnel. Now this is second tunnel. This is the third tunnel I visited. It's just amazing. Look, it's completely dark, but lights, they are our job. That's their job, to keep us, to make us see everything. Guys, we came in the middle of the mountains. There are so many mountains. I didn't expect like this. It was just amazing. I couldn't believe my eyes. So look at the view, guys. Look at the mountain view. It's just amazing, right? Oh my god. Oh, what was that? I think it was a racing boys racing on the, what we say, those bikes. I thought there are no bikes in UAE, but nobody knows. Wow, guys, look at the sorry, guys. And the girl in the white car. Guys, look at the mountain. Actually, you guys are thinking that they're rocks, but they're actually mountains. The grass is tiny, that's why they're looking like they're rocks. But they're actually. Hi guys, we came to She's Park. And full of mountains and the waterfall, the car behind. I'm just so happy to see. Let's go. But first, pictures. Look at the waterfall, guys. It's amazing. Now we are going to a playground. one person, and the parking costs 2 dirham for 1 hour. There's also kids park area. There's also a big park area. I love it so much. So, and there's parking and mountain view, barbecue that side, and everything is so beautiful. I didn't visit up over there, but if you want, you can visit. I think it's gonna be so cool. Guys, I'm in Rafisah Dam, the second stop. You can also do boating over there. So many people are boating. For half an hour, 150. I think we're going, I don't know.